In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make these custom designs for t-shirts in Canva in just a few simple clicks. And you can personalize it with images, with icons, or with text. We're starting from a blank canvas and we want to go to the apps section on the left. And here we want to type in mockup. This will give us a few options and we're looking for this mockups application. We'll install it so it's positioned on the left. And then we can choose any picture. For example, we can go for apparel. And then select any image or style that we like. I'm going to go for this one and add it to the screen and then increase it in size. Now we have this square to fill up. You can choose if you ever want to do it with just a regular image. Let's say we want to add the picture of a dog and you go to photos and you want to add one of these. You can add it. You can also add a full picture. So let's say we try these puppies, add them to the slide and they will add to the picture. Of course, if you want a more graphic design, for example, this one here, you can also drag it on the screen and that will look quite cool on a picture. If you want a custom setup, that is also possible. Let's go for a new page and let's do Instagram post. So we have that rectangular shape and now we can add our text. Let's do a custom text. So let's try this one, increase it in size, custom, and then text. We can make this dark as well, increase the size so that it fits the entire screen. Go to share, download, check the transparent background box, that is important, PNG, and then press download. Once downloaded, you go back to the original design and here you want to drag in the design that you've made. You want to select it, hold it, and then release it so you have the custom text appear and replace that dog and appear on your t-shirt. And this is how you create these custom designs with images, text, or icons in Canva in just a few simple clicks. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.